I'm loaded up, y'all. So that's what everything look like once it's on there. I don't want to stand in the road, get hit, but it's weighing down heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead, rush there real quick, get everything put on. I'm gonna be in the like town site area or whatever you want to call it, and it's gonna be in the town side, so I can walk to shit, you know, walk to the gas station and walk to a store or whatever like that, get food and snacks and whatever. But I wish I brought my laptop so that I can, you know what I'm saying, not be bored. But you know, I'm gonna go grab my phone charger actually before I leave. So I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, so pretty much right now the truck is still in the shop. I've been waiting. I got here at 8:30, but something came up to where I was not able to get in the shop right away. So my appointment was 8:30, obviously, right? We talked about that this morning and also yesterday. But I got here, something came up. I had to situate that thing. I already got everything situated that I need situated. So take care of business like that. So I have been waiting here. I left, came back. So I came at 8:30, left, came back around 8:40 or 8:45, right? I'm gonna just keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it honest. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I am sitting here. It is almost 12 o'clock right now. You know, I'm not complaining. So from 8:45 to 12 o'clock is around what, 3 hours and some change now. So, you know, just a little bit of waiting time or whatever. I just walked to the DMV or BMV. It's called something different in Ohio than it is in South Carolina. And, you know, I took a little test for my CDL, the triples and doubles, because I already have all the other endorsements. So I flunked that thing and whatnot. But at the same time, it was just something to do because I'm just waiting around right now and I hardly studied it. So I'm not really tripping off of it because, you know, if I really wanted to study it and then retake it, I'd do that. You know, it's no biggie for me to go and do something over and over again until I get it right. That's no worry at all, you know. But I'm a guess. I'm not gonna be for sure or for certain, but I'm gonna just make a wild guess and say that they're close to getting the tires mounted and balanced on the truck. And I don't know, I'm a little nervous because I don't know how tall the truck is gonna look compared to when it had the 32.7s on it. But if those 35s are true to size, like they say they are, then it'll still make a big difference. But if they're mud tires, I'm sure that there's a little bit more centimeters added to that 35. So it's probably more than just 35-inch tires. It's probably like 35.3 or something, 35.4 or something like that. You know, I don't want to get ahead of myself and think that I'm a psychic and I haven't done the full research and things like that and go off of what I believe. But you know, once they pull the tires out and I see what they look like, or the truck out and I see what everything looks like, then we can start trying to put things together with it, you know. So they still got it in the shop. Can't hardly see because it's dark, but you see they're rolling the wheels and tires out right now, whatever. So yeah, they rolling the wheels and tires out. I can't wait to see what the motherfucker look like, man. I can't wait to turn the wheel lights on too, because the main thing is we love that the build is almost to an end, but at the same time we want to see that it comes together. Just because the build is done does not mean that it's fully together, you know what I mean? So you can build, do what you want all day long, but if you don't have a clean truck, you don't have a clean truck. You just have a truck that's lifted with big rims and tires on it that don't match, don't go together. And the only way you can make something go together, you have to know what you want and how to make it work, you know, and make it make sense. You know what I mean? But look like they're putting it on. I think they're gonna put the spike lug nuts on. It look like they're trying to get it on there. So I think they're trying to get the spike lug nuts on, whatever. But in the same note, I'm just glad that it's almost there. It look like they you know, doing what they do. I ain't rushing nobody. I know they gotta make their money. They gotta do what they need to do. I'm chilling, I'm vibing. I wouldn't be sitting in the house anyway, so I might as well be out just chilling. So, but I'll catch y'all when the truck is completely done, whatever. Roll it out, see what it look like. So I think they just got done with the truck. They trying to back it out. Man, I'm about to see how the hell this thing look. Yeah, I think it looked like they just got done with it. Whatever. They're trying to back it out, but let's see how this thing looks, man. Let's see what it look like, y'all. Let's see what it look like, y'all. I'm about to go pay cash money. Take my money. Take my money, man. That's all I'm saying. Oh my goodness, that thing tall as hell. God damn. Oh, it's rubbing? Oh no. Okay, so it looked like it's rubbing, so it's a good thing we did not go with 37s, because if we did go with 37s, it would definitely rub all the way, the whole drive, wherever we going. It would have rubbed like crazy. So I'm about to, it would have been rubbing, whatever, but I'm finna go in there. It's rubbing? Yeah. Oh my goodness, man. Oh yeah, the valence. Oh, okay, I can cut that. Yeah, they usually remove the whole thing, but I want to keep it to have the height of the front. Yeah, so I'm gonna just have to cut it, which I can do. I can just get some, you know what I'm saying, like a box cutter or some shit. Yeah. You know, but man, it look good, man.
Yeah, this I had a Dodge Ram. Carolina blue white.
Oh.
You already know the Tar Heels.
Tar Heels, yeah.
Ram.
Uh-huh. Hey, he like driving that truck, man. Yeah. Yeah, it still got that tweet to it, man. Damn, I don't like that tweet. All right, he finna go ahead and test drive it there. So I'm finna go ahead, I'm about to go ahead and pay for everything, man. And then we're gonna do a little, probably wash the truck. So yeah, go from there, that's it. Not too much, not too little. Boom. Put it right on the back of this big behemoth, gas hog, whatever. Bye-bye to the old. Look at that thing. Bead lock missing and all, man. Missing in action. MIA. But it got an aggressive, mean, ugly beast. That joker mean, boy. I'm gonna show y'all what this sidewall look how that come together. Look at the black, white, blue. Listen to me, listen closely. I know it's silver, but look at the colors: black, white, and blue. Black, silver, blue. Black, whitish, silver, and blue. And then blue on blue. So what in the world would this truck look like with some powder coat, right? I don't know, because I don't think powder coat is in the plans. I don't think it's in the game plans. I think we rocking with what we rocking with right now. I think we solid. I think we got something we working with, y'all. You ain't never in your life seen no Texas carbons, not this color, on a lifted, lean, squatted truck. None of that. Everything that's carbon, Texas, that have Texas carbon on it was a damn slam truck, man. Slam I am. I am definitely gonna slide for y'all. Y'all know I'm finna slide for y'all. So hop in the Chevy, let's ride. You know what I mean? What it say? It say hop in the Mercedes-Benz, let's ride. Hop in the Mercedes-Benz, come on here, let's ride. It's called Left Eye by Big X the Plug. Y'all know. Y'all know about Big X the Plug. What? You see that bulldog stand? The alignment ain't bad neither. The alignment ain't half bad neither. At least it don't look like it. Shit. At least that bit don't look like it, man. If it bad, then I might have to readjust something or whatever, man. But look at them spike lug nuts, man. See how that bit, man, we got us some center caps, man. We got us some center caps, man. It don't spin. Ain't got to do all that. It would be nice if we did, but man, shit. Center cap, boy. That tonneau cover. Yeah. Hope y'all boys having a real good day, man. Waiting out there, I feel like 5 fucking hours. I'm about to watch it. I was about to go to the goddamn thing, go watch me a movie or something at a cinema or something like that, man. Moment we've all been waiting for, and it looked perfect too. I thought that 35s would be too small. Turns out the valence do rub on the tires when you turn, man. Unfortunately, y'all, it rub a little bit, man. So I'm thinking about cutting, chopping and screwing this a little bit, like, you know, come like a little like that, and then come a little bit like that, because this the one that's really doing the rubbing. We need to fix that right there, man. I don't really like that, but be all right. We ain't gonna die. Shit. I want to slide, man. 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 Yeah. I want to slide, man. Windshield tint would have made it look even better. It looks better, but it'll be even better once the wheel and windshield tint, man. Never satisfied. You can never be satisfied, but you always be ready to want to call it quits at some point. I don't know what y'all think, man. Y'all rocking the 22s? Y'all rocking with it? Y'all think it too small? What y'all think, man? See, this is what I don't understand. Y'all watch the video for a little bit and then click off of it. What do y'all want from me, man? I'm just messing with you, bro. Turn that off. Interior is somewhat clean, but we need to go ahead and do it. Actually size this up the right way so it won't look as half-assed. It looks clean, but it's not. You know, I like to make sure everything is all the way put together, if you know what I mean. But I do want to wash this up. Roll a little bit. Roller coaster. Roll the toaster. Trying not to do the moster. I ain't trying to do the moster. On my Friday when it's whiskey, I go at this instead. I'm tripping, buying all the shit.
Damn, guess that's why they tryna get me. Big nigga stiff and I stay with a semi. He trippin' this club, but I hit him with 50. I had to cut him, that nigga went with me. He said he gon' slide, but I told him it's risky. I come from the Grove, yeah, the heart of the city, but being the knife for them boys really winning. Remember them days we was adding up pennies. Damn, now we throw racks to the ceiling. Smelling like pressure, the best in the city. You need it, we got it, cause Uber stay with me. Ayy, this stacking the fuck is a stimmy. You got BO8 and you better get with me. This shit here feel better than hustling and dealing, but shit hit the fan, I'm back robbing and stealing. Damn, these bitches, they never fuck with me. They see I got clout tryna fuck for an image. I'm like, fuck you and fuck your little feelings. My heart in them streets, I'm locked in with the trenches. Ayy, I think it's about time for the dentist. We really made racks in this fucking pandemic. They let me out papers, I'm out for restriction, but I still got partners, need piss every Wednesday. Ayy, ayy, keep that how it is, run it back. Ayy, 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 we plotting, I told him his business. Yeah, he got a Glock, but that bitch for an image. We ran up the score, had to lace on my tennis. I'm ballin', that shit got me feeling like Guinness. Ayy, the doc say I fucked up my kidneys. It must be the lean and the squares of the Henny. Or maybe that dude say don't mix with that Remy. We having our way with this shit, so we chillin'. Ayy, took losses to fill out his winning. We started with bows, ended out with them chickens. He reached for this chain, bet he fly with the pigeons. Don't speak on the gang unless you talking big business. Ayy, we plotting, I told him his business. Yeah, he got a Glock, but that bitch for an image. We ran up the score, had to lace on my tennis. I'm ballin', that shit got me feeling like Guinness. Ayy.